it turned out to be such a beautiful day today. If I'm right, it is the 17th of March. On the 28th, we had a tornado come through the area, destroyed the place I was staying in. But thanks to some volunteers and some really incredible people that we did not even know before this happened, we've got another place to live. We're going to slowly get back on our feet and keep on living day by day, one foot in front of the other, as I always say, and just kind of pick up where we left off. But I wanted to come out here and just say that got a little bit of video from what I believe is the prettiest day of the year so far, and just give you an idea that life does go on. This weekend's supposed to be even nicer than it is right now, so something to look forward to. It's going to be a real pleasant weekend. I'd like to see some deer come out of the woods, but I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I doubt it, but you never know. Oh, blue skies. Nothing but blue skies do I see. Yeah, I know I can't sing. That's why I don't do it very often. This is unlike the videos I usually put on here, but I felt a good calm video like this was necessary. See the beauty of the day. As another day comes to a close, another day will start shortly, and wake up and do it all again, I reckon. To my subscribers, I love you guys. Please feel free to rate this video and comment on it. Any feedback is absolutely necessary and absolutely welcome. And I will get back to you if you comment on the video. My sincere appreciation for watching the videos you've seen so far. There will be more to come once we get a little more settled in into the new place I'll be living in. I will take videos of the house, let you see how I'm living. Get my recliner all set up. I'll be comfortable. I'll say that. I will be comfortable. So, to everybody out there, I love you. God bless you. And take care of yourselves, alright? Alright, until we meet again. This is the Silent Carnage. And I will see you on the flip side. Okay, bye-bye.